Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to act fast. First, confirm the modem and router are powered and show normal LEDs. If not, power cycle by unplugging for 30 seconds and plugging back in. While that reboots, try a second device to see if the problem is network-wide or isolated to your device. Once done, write down the exact error text and the time it occurred so you can compare logs or support steps. This saves repeated guessing and narrows the root cause quickly. Now focus on your device. Open network settings and make sure Wi-Fi is on and airplane mode is off. Check the adapter status in the device manager so you don't miss a disabled interface. If DHCP failed, renew the lease or assign a temporary static IP in the same subnet. This proves whether address assignment is the issue. Then run quick network tests, ping 8, 8, 8, 8 and a trace route so you can see whether packets stop at the router, ISP, or beyond. Finish by restarting both your device and the router after making changes. Many settings only take effect after a reboot. Make sure network drivers and router firmware are current, and reset the network stack or use the operating system's network troubleshooters to clear corrupt entries. If the issue persists, check for ISP outages and boot into safe mode with networking to rule out third-party software. If nothing helps, call support with your recorded errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.